welcome back, and yes, today I am doing my very first movie inspired nail art tutorial to share with you guys, and of course it's Wakanda style. So we're going to start off by removing my old design. Plus I hit my pinky finger like so hard I felt it lift, so I do need to see what's going on beneath the acrylic as well. So with my 2XL carbide drill bit, I'm going to taper the sides of my pre-shaped coffin nails, because I mean these can't be Black Panther nails on coffin or ballerina shape, right? We need claws, okay? Claws. So I am just going in with my hand file and I'm defining my shape. Now you need to be careful not to go underneath the nail too much. You want to really and truly focus on tapering your sides when you're doing this. So remember to keep your file nice and straight so you get that nice seamless straight line all the way from the tip of your natural nail to the tip of the extension. Just as I suspected, I do have a lot of lifting, so I'm going to go ahead and shape the nail first, and now I'm going to go in with my 4-week carbide drill bit from xoxo.com. I think it's a 4, I'm not sure. I'll leave it in the description box below. And now with my cuticle nippers, as you guys can see, once you file that lifting properly, it's just going to come off with ease. You're not going to have any stress or any headache or anything like that. So now I'm going in with this cuticle drill bit, and this is one of those diamond drill bits from Brilboo that I shared with you guys in my last video, I think it was. And I'm just going to remove the excess cuticle from on the nail plate, and I'm using my hand file a lot in this video because I just felt like hand filing today. And I'm going to start off by blending the old acrylic into the nail plate. As you guys can see, this nail was almost completely off. That's how bad I hit this nail, but thank God it didn't crack my natural nail plate. And I also edged my nails, removed the dust, dehydrated, and now I'm applying my first coat of primer. I'm going to allow this to dry, apply my second coat as I always do, and I only went in with a medium-sized cuticle bead to do the infill on all these nails. If you notice, I did file away the entire nail plate of the nails that had glitter and the marble on it because I didn't need to remove all of it. I am using black and white gel polish, so it's going to cover it, but I do like to see my nail bed and I like to see what's going on underneath the colored acrylic, underneath the glitter. I do it on my clients as well. Once I am using an opaque enough gel polish that I know it's going to cover, I don't waste my time and remove all the glitter or all the colored acrylic. I just remove the entire nail bed so that I can see what is going on between the acrylic and my client's natural nail plate. Okay, so this pinky nail is going to be a quick fix. All I'm going to do is apply this medium-sized bead of my acrylic. Make sure that it's nice and flush to my cuticle area and sidewalls, and then I'm going to lightly feather it into the tip where my old acrylic is. This is to reconstruct my apex area because the tip of that old extension was still attached to my nail plate and I didn't thin it down, so it was still strong. And I am just going to strengthen the apex area so that my nail does not break or crack. So here's what the acrylic laid looks like. Now I'm going to file it really quickly, reshape, buff, and I'll meet you guys right back with the design. So the main colors for this design will be my Brilbird's Brush and Goes in Go 01 and Go 02, which is black and white, and my Ugly Ducklings matte gel top coats. And that is all I'll be using today. And the reason why I love the Brilbird Brush and Goes for drawing, it does not move, it does not run, and it really is nice and opaque, and this is like my favorite black drawing gel. It also doubles as a gel polish as well, which also covers in one coat, and it's a no wipe gel. So I'm just going to be using my black, and I'm using this micro detailer brush, and I'll just be doing the outline of the Black Panther mask. When I'm happy with it, I'm going to fill it in, and I did switch my brushes to a number 0 brush, just a regular craft brush, and I went ahead and cured it completely for 30 seconds. Now using that white brush and go, I am going in with my micro detailer brush and I'm going to create the details in the mask. Trying to keep my lines as clean as possible, even though I can always go back in with my black gel and neaten them up after I've finished. But for me, it makes more sense to take my time and create my lines rather than having to rush through them and have to go back over them. You're just giving yourself double work. So just take your time and take it one line at a time. What the completed mask looks like. Now I'm going to show you what I did on my middle finger, my thumb, and my pinky finger. So I'm just coating it over with that Brill Bird brush and go in the black, and I'm going to cure this for a full 60 seconds in my LED light. Because it's black, I need to make sure that it's completely dried, and then I went over it with my gel matte top coat, cured that as well. And I am going to do some stamping, so I prefer not to clean up tonight. So I went in with my liquid latex around the cuticle area and side walls, and I'm using this Moira, I think it's a lace 2 stamping plate, I'm not sure, but I would link all the information in the description box below. And this gives this nail a really nice texture. For this design, reason being, it would have been really difficult to use my gem gel or to even use a gel top coat because it would have ruined the matte and glossy finish. Now guys, this is the final nail. Now you would have seen some clips of a red and green nail in the video, and that's because that's what I did at first and I really wasn't feeling it. And my husband told me that I had a plan, which I did. I pre-drew the actual design out on paper, and then when I started doing my nails I just completely ignored it. Okay, so with that red and green nail, I will have a picture at the end of the video of what the entire set looked like with that particular nail, but I did go ahead and remove it and I applied my white base. And now I'm going to draw the Africa map, but I did split it into two because I am going to write the word Wakanda in the middle. So I'm just going to continue fiddling around with the map until it's to the desired shape and I'm happy with it. Then I'm going to put it in my LED light and give it a full cure before going in and doing my writing. And basically that was it for this design. I did apply my gloss no wipe gel top coat to the two white nails, and I'll have a clip of what the final result look like. And I would love for you to tell me which one of the two designs do you prefer more, the full white and black one or the white and black with a little touch of red and green. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big Wakanda thumbs up, hey, and click that subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. I mean, like, what are you waiting on? One more thing, don't forget to turn on your post notifications, as I would continuously keep telling you guys, I don't have an upload schedule, so the only way to know when I post a new video is to click that little bell next to the subscribe button. As always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.